Alright, here's the script. Hey everyone, and welcome back to RomeTips.com. Today, we're going to break down how to easily add and remove bookmarks in Safari on your Mac. First up, let's add a bookmark. Head over to the website you want to save. Once you're there, just press Command+D. This will bring up the bookmark prompt. Give your bookmark a name, maybe a little description if you want, and then choose where you want to save it. For this example, I'm gonna pick the Favorites tab. Ready? Click Add. Alternatively, you can click on the Share button in the top right corner. Then select Add Bookmark, and bam, same bookmark prompt appears. Now if you don't see that Share button, no sweat. Just right-click on the toolbar at the top of your screen, choose Customize Toolbar, and then drag and drop the Share button onto your toolbar. Hit Done, and you're good to go. Share button access unlocked. Okay, so how do we manage or remove bookmarks? First way is to type in Favorites / in hotbar. This will take you to Favorites and iCloud tabs screen. Then click Edit, and you can choose what to show on that screen. Another way is by clicking on the sidebar button in the top left corner. Then, click on Bookmarks at the bottom of the sidebar. Click the Favorites drop-down, and there are all your bookmarks. To delete one, just right-click on it and select Delete. Easy peasy. Don't see the sidebar button? Same deal as before, right-click on the toolbar, customize it, and drag and drop the sidebar icon onto the toolbar. Click Done, and the sidebar is at your command. And that's it. That's how you add and remove Safari bookmarks on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. This was based on my personal experience, and you can find helpful links in the description below. Thanks for watching.